Get his attention first.
Chance. Chance. Look. Chance. Chance. What's in this one? What's in this one? Oh my goodness, it's a bag full of Kikis. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
What's that?
Now we have Kikis for nighttime. There's so many Kikis to give us kisses. Good. My God.
Oh, thank you for the Gigi.
Go take Daddy another Biggie. Go take him another one.
Oh, thank you.
Go bring him more Kikis. More.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, Daddy has a pile full of Kikis.
Is that it? How many Gigis I got here?
I think there's 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 green and 3 red. I got an odd number of red for some reason.
It's because they were cheap.
Cat's gonna keep playing on the rug. Hey, Travel, go get it. You see that silly kitty cat? Silly kitty cat. Chance. Let's see what's in this one. Here, open. Chance, came in a box. What's in here? What's in there? Alright, let's see what's in there. What's in there? You just look what's in that thing. Here, Chance, what's in there? Chance. Hey. What's in here? What's in there? What's in the box? Oh my goodness. You want to look in there. There may be a car in there. Chance. Chance. Look. Who is that? It's Mater. It's the same exact Mater.
Maybe we can switch it up, dear. Don't open that one.
You fixed the wheels on the other one, didn't you?
He's fine.
Go take it to Daddy. Daddy will open it, okay? Alright, in the meantime,
Thank you. Go play with your other cars. Oh,
come here.
no.
Here, let's see what's in this one. See what's in this one. All we need are special tools to open it. Okay? Okay, look. Oh my goodness, what's in this other box? What's in this other box? I wonder if there's another car in here. What do you think? Chance, here. Come here. Hey. Look. Come on. Hey. Chance. What's in here? Chance. Open it. Oh, it rattles? Oh, what if there's a car in there? What do you think? Chance. Open it. Chance. Chance. Who's in there? Who's in there?